Yoga, the light of the soul. Yoga makes us whole. With every breath, with every pose, the joy of yoga forever grows. Yoga is not merely an exercise, it is the science of life, a path to harmony, balance, and self-discovery. Guided by this timeless wisdom, Project Life established the Life Health and Wellness Center in 2003, with a vision to nurture holistic well-being through the ancient science of yoga, integrating asanas, pranayama, and meditation into everyday living. Today, the center stands as a vibrant hub of health and awareness. Well-structured yoga shibars, programs and seminars are conducted regularly by experienced yoga teachers in a dedicated facility of 24,000 square feet, housed within a unique architectural space of 45,000 square feet spread across 7 levels. Over the years, the center has developed diverse and meaningful programs including Healthy Life Club, Yoga for Professionals, Fitness Yoga, Advanced Yoga, Women's Yoga, Meditation, Yoga for Weight Management, Ashtanga Yoga, Senior Citizens Yoga, Kids Corner, Shatkarma, Acupressure, Project Shakti, Yogic Garbh Sanskar, and Health and Diet Counseling. To nurture authentic yoga educators, the Life Yoga Academy conducts a certificate course in yoga in collaboration with the world-renowned yoga institution Kaivalya Dham. By March 2026, 162 aspirants have been trained as certified yoga instructors, carrying forward the knowledge and spirit of yoga into society. Spreading awareness about preventive health, the center also launched the enlightening lecture series How Not to Fall Sick in 2001. Through 335 lectures by eminent doctors and health experts, the series has benefited more than 50,000 people, empowering them with knowledge on healthy living and lifestyle management. Taking yoga beyond the walls of institutions, the center has conducted Preksha Dhyan Yoga Shibars in 21 prisons across Gujarat, helping bring emotional balance and inner transformation to 6,185 prisoners, guiding them towards a more positive and purposeful life. Since 2006, distinguished yoga experts from Kaivalya Dham, including Dr. O.P. Tiwari, Dr. Satish Pathak, Mrs. Sandhya Dikshit, Dr. R.S. Bhogal, Dr. Bhalekar, Dr. Santosh Pandey and Shri Sudhiv Tiwari have conducted numerous workshops at the center, sharing deeper insights into yoga, mental health, and holistic living. As an associate center of the Indian Yoga Association, Life Health and Wellness Center maintains strong collaborations with Kaivalya Dham, Lonavala, and Jain Vishwa Bharati Institute, Ladnun, strengthening its commitment to authentic yoga traditions. The center also celebrates the International Day of Yoga every year since its initiation in 2015 by Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, organizing events, shibars, competitions, and lectures to spread the message of yoga. In 2024, as part of the 10th International Day of Yoga celebrations, the Indian Yoga Association featured Project Life's Joint Executive Trustee and CEO, Ms. Meetal Kotecha Shah, in their nationwide campaign, Yoga for Women Empowerment. Project Life has also translated and published into Gujarati some of the most respected yoga texts, including Swami Kuvalyanandaji's Asana, Pranayama, and Yogic Chikitsa, Dr. O.P. Tiwari's Asana, Why and How, and Dr. R.S. Bhogal's Yoga and Mental Health. Over 24 years, the Life Health and Wellness Center has created a remarkable impact. More than 979,000 people have benefited. The center has organized 1,970 yoga shibars and programs, conducted over 600 yoga demonstrations in schools. Yoga is the light of self-realization, the art of living in balance with oneself and the world. For 24 years, the Life Health and Wellness Center has carried this light forward, touching nearly 1 million lives and nurturing health, peace, and awareness. Blessed by the presence of renowned yoga gurus from across the nation and the world, and guided by dedicated yoga teachers, the mission continues.
to integrate yoga into daily life and bring transformation of body, mind, and soul for generations to come.